Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Jessica. Welcome to Diary of a Veganista. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this delicious dip. It is a raw red pepper guacamole. It's so good, you can just dip cucumbers in it. If you do chips, you can put this into wraps, sandwiches, power bowls, you name it, it's good. It's going to be one of your go-to yummy guacamole dips. Let's get started. All right, to start, we need a few ingredients. We need some ripe, I have 2 large ripe avocados. We are going to use about half of this red pepper. We're going to dice it up into small dices. I want to use 1 large clove of garlic minced, or possibly we might need to use about 2. It just depends on the size of the garlic. We're going to squeeze over some lime juice. This is really good. We need some salt and pepper to go on top. And this is optional, but I do think it adds a little bit to this, is a homemade sour cream that I do. And this is optional, but I do highly recommend a nice vegan sour cream just to give it some creaminess in this dip. It's delicious. You can make your own like I do, or get a store-bought vegan sour cream. So, right, let's get going. This is so good. You should definitely try this out. The recipe is in the description. Have a beautiful and blessed day. If you're enjoying these videos, hit the like, hit the bell, and please subscribe. Your support would help this channel greatly. If you're interested in the products I use, there's links to purchase them down in the description. This also helps my channel keep going. I'm glad to have you here. Thank you so much.